So for the past several weeks, I've gotten a bunch of questions about the so-called new Tesla TVs. One person even went so far as to tell me the Tesla branded TVs were actually at CES and I just completely missed them. So I started looking into these Tesla TVs, and guys, when I say it took me down a rabbit hole, that is the understatement of the year. So are these Tesla TVs legit or are they a scam? Let's talk about that. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Caleb Dennison, and I am not gonna waste a bit of your time. Let's just get straight into it. So if you haven't already heard about TVs made by Tesla, I imagine that you would have soon. I mean, you're hearing about them now, obviously, but I'm pretty sure that if Google, YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok knows that you're into TVs and or into Tesla as a company, and trust me, they do know, eventually you would have seen videos like this.
What will be Tesla's next innovative and groundbreaking product?
Look, it's pictures of Elon Musk next to a bunch of futuristic looking TVs. And if you watch any of the many videos or read any of the many articles published on this topic, you'll hear things like how Tesla is here to disrupt the TV market, or Musk has done it again. And then you'll learn that you could get a 75-inch Tesla TV for as little as $200, which frankly sounds too good to be true. But I mean, Tesla is a disruptor, and that $200 price point on a 75-incher would certainly be a disruption, wouldn't it? And you can even find Tesla TVs on Amazon. Here they are on Amazon US. Now, they aren't currently available for purchase, but there it is on Amazon. Certainly, this is a real product, right? Well, I'm about to make two factual statements that are gonna seem to be in conflict with each other. So stick with me to the end, because you aren't gonna believe where this goes. Yes, Tesla TVs are real. And yes, what you're seeing is part of a very dubious scam. Now, I've been trying to figure out how to tell you this story for a few days now. And there are a lot of ways that I could approach this, but I think I'm gonna start out by explaining that first statement. Tesla TVs are real, but they aren't what you think. Now, this is gonna start out sounding like a history lesson, but I promise you, it pivots very quickly. Nikola Tesla was an engineer, inventor, and all-around visionary. He is credited, among many other things, for inventing the first alternating current, or AC, motor and electrical system, the one that most of us still use in our homes today. When you plug in your microwave, phone charger, or TV into a wall outlet, you're using Tesla's invention. Yeah, he was and is kind of a big deal. You may also be familiar with the Tesla coil. I'm sure you've at least seen videos of some modern version of it in action, or maybe in real life at a science museum, or maybe even your high school science class. What you may not know, though, is that Tesla was a Serbian American. He was born July 10th, 1856 in the Austrian Empire and later immigrated to the US on June 6, 1884 at the ripe old age of 28. Now, his Serbian origins are key here. Serbia takes a great deal of pride in Tesla's Serbian origins, so much so that there are no fewer than 5 Serbian companies using the Tesla name. And one of them is Tesla Appliances, a company that makes washers, dryers, and among other consumer goods, TVs. Tesla Appliances happens to operate under the Comtrade Group, if you want to look that up. And so now you know how it is that Tesla TVs are a real thing. They're distributed mostly in Eastern Europe, near as I can tell, but if I have any viewers out there who live in that region or know more, please let us know down in the comments. Anyway, hopefully I've made it clear that Tesla Appliances and the TVs it makes with the Tesla brand name have absolutely nothing to do with Elon Musk or the Tesla company based in the United States, which makes Tesla EVs, charging stations, and energy storage systems. These TVs have no ties to that Tesla at all, not in the least. So why then are there videos and websites showing Elon Musk in tuxedos next to these very futuristic looking TVs? Why is there such a glut of content out on the internet trying to make you believe that Elon Musk is making TVs and they are the most disruptive, anti-establishment TVs ever to be made? That, my friends, is where the scam comes in. Before I go further on the Tesla TV thing, I want to call attention to this video from Ben Taylor at the YouTube channel Pleasant Green. In his video titled "I Bought a Heater from Elon Musk," Mr. Taylor does, I think, an amazing job of taking you through his experience of buying what was marketed as a game-changing space heater that purported to use some hyper-efficient alpha heating element or some such BS to heat a home for mere pennies. I highly suggest you watch the video because it is eye-opening. But here's the TLDW on that video, and spoiler alert. The heater was a piece of crap. I mean, based on what I saw, it was a straight-up fire hazard. It didn't heat his room. And not only that, but the heater he bought was also available under a dozen different brand names for quite a bit less than he spent, even though he supposedly got discounts on his purchase when he bought it. Come to find out, the heater he bought had absolutely nothing to do with Elon Musk or the Tesla we know. In fact, the heater he bought was shipped by a company that was headquartered in a UPS store's mailbox in Florida. This heater was actually marketed and sold by some individual who ran numerous companies and websites that just sold junk and then drop shipped it from who knows where direct to the customer. And the person or persons who own that company, or more exactly, front, probably made a tidy little profit off that one heater sale. Buy it for $2, ship it for $4, collect $55, make $49 profit. Do that a bunch of times and you have yourself a nice little passive revenue stream. Ever wondered what those passive income videos lead you to if you pay up? Ideas like this. That fake Elon Musk Tesla heater has a bunch of fake videos, fake reviews, and fake posts plastered all over the place, making it seem like it might be legit. And that is also true of these Tesla TVs. The video that we showed you at the beginning of this story, totally fake, at least in the sense that Elon Musk and that Tesla have nothing to do with the Tesla TVs that actually exist. The voiceover? AI. The script? Probably also AI. Some of the B-roll? 100% AI. What makes this all so tricky and devious, though, is that there are actual Tesla TVs out there with real photos and real videos that can be mixed in with the fake stuff. If you're not good at spotting deep fakes and AI-generated content, video or written, you understandably could be duped into thinking that Elon Musk is out here to disrupt the TV space. Pair that with the fact that you can find the Tesla-branded TVs on the Tesla Appliance Company's website in multiple languages, and that the TVs are listed on Amazon, albeit not yet for sale. And yeah, I really do understand why some of you out there might think that these TVs are worth looking at. But wait, what's scam and what's real? Well, I think I figured it out, at least partially. To get to the true bottom of all this would probably take weeks of proper investigative journalism, and while I am inclined to pursue that, right now I think it's more important to tell you what I've learned so far. It is entirely possible that you could order a Tesla TV and receive one. It would probably come straight from Serbia or an adjacent country in which some of these TVs are warehoused. Once you get it, you own it. Good luck returning it. Now, how good is this TV gonna be? Well, I haven't seen one. They were not at CES, by the way. I checked, that's fake too. And, well, I haven't gotten one yet. See, I'm gonna find out for real. I don't wanna cast aspersions on a product before I've actually tried it. But you know what? I don't have high hopes. I've tested super cheap off-brand TVs before in my personal time, and I can tell you the experience was nightmarish, to use a bit of hyperbole. But it is also entirely possible that you could order one, spend money, and receive nothing at all. Anyone willing to propagate completely false information is probably not a person of strong moral or ethical conscience, and I have to believe that you could well spend your money, never get a TV, and have zero recourse after countless interactions with bots posing as customer service agents via chat and email. So again, Tesla TVs are real. They have nothing to do with Musk. There's a whole scam around these TVs, and I do not recommend that you buy one. But if you have been misled, don't waste time being embarrassed or frustrated about it. It's understandable. Instead, let me share with you what raised blaring loud alarms for me so that you can tune up your scam or BS radar and avoid being duped in the future. Number one, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. You should immediately question what you're looking at. Sure, Tesla is a disruptor, but is Tesla selling EVs for $2,000? Nope. So it doesn't stand to reason it would sell TVs for $200. Even if they were designed to gather all your data and spy on you all day, which honestly was one of the first things I thought when, for a brief moment, I considered these to be actual Tesla TVs. Also, where else is Elon Musk involving Tesla in the consumer electronics space? Nowhere. It just doesn't make sense. Number two, if you can't find a product being sold by a reputable retailer, one that you know about and trust, that's a bad sign. Immediately question everything. Anyone wanting to sell something is going to do their level best to market it and distribute it through trusted channels. Even if Musk's Tesla had made a TV and wanted to eliminate the middleman, the TV would be sold direct from Tesla's actual website, which you can navigate to quite easily, or through Tesla dealerships. Number three, find an expert in the field of the product that you're curious about and see what they have to say. If none of the top TV reviewers are talking about this TV, that's a red flag. And frankly, that's why I'm making this video, because someone needs to be talking about this. Number four, question the source of the info that you're getting. If you have never heard of that website or YouTube channel before, if they don't have very many subscribers, or if the videos have suspiciously low views, you should immediately start questioning whether the content you're watching or reading is legit. In some cases though, like this one, there are legit websites showing this TV. It's the Serbian company that makes them in most cases, or a review channel like this one that appears to be in a market to which these TVs are shipped. Although I don't know these people, so I'm gonna take what they say with a huge bucket of salt until I know more. Number five, go to sources that you trust for information. And if they don't have it, ask for the information. That's exactly how this video ended up getting made. I'm a source that folks trust in the area of TVs. They reached out for my guidance, and as a result, I'm reporting on this story in this video and in an article on digitaltrends.com. Just understand that this kind of thing can take off fast. Many videos and articles can pepper the internet, but that doesn't mean that they pop up on our radar as quickly as they appear on the internet. Now, legit stuff? I often know about it before any other journalist or YouTuber. Fake stuff? It can fly under my radar for weeks or even months before I come to be aware of it. Number six, and this is bigger picture guidance. Take some time to learn how to spot fake videos and fake websites spreading fake information. That's just a necessary skill these days, and one that I urge you to develop for yourself right now. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please click that like button, drop a comment, share it, whatever you can do to get it out into the world. I think it's important, and if you do too, please do what you can to spread it around. And hey, if you want to see more content like this, subscribe and ring that bell. I'd love to have you as part of this community. I'll see you on the next one, and until then, here's 2 other videos I think you might like. Sorry, the crows today.